Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Boone County in north central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cherry Valley, or near Belvidere, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kingston around 8:35 p.m., including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 48 and 60. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.